Could you use an extra $100 today? Good. Stick around, I'll show you how to get it. Keep the video short, sweet, and to the point. One of the best ways to make $100 real quick, sell something. You want quick money? Sell something. Well, I don't know what to sell. I don't have anything to sell. Look around. There's something there. I'll give you an example. I made $100 in a day last month by selling chestnuts. So, I already had the product. There's a couple trees growing in the yard. Okay? And the demand, the supply in general, is low for these. Because if you know anything about chestnuts, they absolutely suck to pick. You know, there's these little nuts growing on a tree inside these spike balls that getting to them, picking them, whatever, you know, you end up with splinters, hurting your hands, hurting your feet from stabbing up through your shoe. You know, the whole shebang there. Chestnuts suck to pick. So the demand's low anyway, and people want them. You know, they make Christmas songs about these things. Okay, so it was just a simple little product that I had. People wanted, and all I had to do was collect them and sell them. So how do you go about doing that? Well, I first went on to Facebook Marketplace, did a little quick search, and I found, you know, what people selling them for. You know, people on there were selling these for about $5 a pound. That was on average. So what I did is I took my superior product and I undercut everyone else, threw mine up there for a quick sale, $2 a pound. Okay, so $2 a pound. To get the same amount of money as everyone else, I of course had to do more work. You know, greatness is there for those willing to bend down and pick it up. I went there, I did the garbage work, got my chestnuts, much more than anyone else, and I sold them. Grocery bag full after grocery bag full. Went around and sold these. I met people at a public place, whatever. But yeah, I went in, took my phone on the macro lens, zoomed in real close, nice pictures of them, made them look real nice, and simply advertised. Facebook Flea Market, Facebook Marketplace. Then you go in there, list it to all the local, this county's flea market, this county's buy-sell page. Get all of them, get everyone's customers. I had mine less than half the price as everyone else, and they sold out very quickly. I actually had so many people messaging me that I had more people wanting to buy them than what I actually had. So that's just something, bang, 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 ton of money, real quick. But you could do that for anything. Just look around. What do you have that no one else is willing to sell, or, you know, for these, for example, this is a product. Okay? Product that I had in large quantities that I can go through and sell. You know, if you looked around through your house, I guarantee you there's something in there, something in your house where you could say, okay, it's worth more to me to have a dollar bill in my pocket than it is for this to still be sitting here. If you got something like that and you're in a scrape, you need that $100 for something. Take it, sell it. You know, right now, also on Facebook Marketplace, so I have a set of surround sound speakers that somebody's having me sell for them. They're keeping a portion of the money, and I'm getting money on top of there for my effort in selling it. You know, take good pictures. Everybody's phone now has amazing pictures. Take good pictures, put it out there, market it. You know, look at the cost of what it's worth, and you can either sit and wait for the right customer to come along at its value price, or drop the price a little bit for a quicker sell. You gotta play that game. For these, I needed a quick sell. I needed the money now, and so I did the work, and I sold these for a lower price. It cost me more time. I had to go out there, more time, more effort. I had to pick more than everyone else. But at the same time, everybody came to me, and I got a ton of money really quickly. You can go around, oh, I got this toy for a kid's little metal car. I see it's going online for $20. I can get this $20. Oh, I got this thing over here that I haven't used in 6 years. Let's get rid of that. But selling things is one of the quickest and easiest way to make $100 today. You can also provide a service. Somebody needs their let's say somebody needs their driveway shoveled because it has a bunch of snow in it. They need to get to work in the morning, or they need their leaves raked, or some type of service that you could be offering people. Right now it's fall time. It's getting cold, so the snow's coming. That's why I made that mention. But also, people want, maybe their house cleaned for winter time. Maybe it's an old person. They don't need to be up on the second story cleaning their outside of their windows. Maybe you can borrow a neighbor's ladder, go over to their place, clean their windows out for them because they want that done and they can't do it themselves. Either you find something to bring value to other people. A couple of my customers that wanted these chestnuts were from different countries. Like one guy from the Middle East, one guy from Vietnam, one guy from Africa. I have chestnuts back home, but can't find them here. I need a lot of them. Help me out. Great. Perfect customer. They have a need. I solved it. I gave them value. You could be bringing value in your services as well instead of just products. My kids are down the street last winter and shoveling snow for old people. The old people didn't want to do it themselves. Got these young strapping kids willing to put a little bit of effort in to help the old people. They're also making some side cash. You just have to look at what can you do to bring value to people, and the money will come to you. As far as this channel goes, I'm still considering a name for it. I'm tossing around different ideas, but main point is I want to show step by step of how to actually do things. How do you go from absolutely broke to buying yourself your first Lambo? Get a ton of money. All right, financial freedom. What does that look like, etc., etc. We're going to go through step by step, and when there's stuff to come around, people saying, "Oh, you just do this," and they give you generalized answers. I find that garbage because they're keeping the information to themselves. Keep them rich, keep you broke. But I need this channel in general, to be able to be used as a tool for maybe my kids or maybe helping somebody I know. And I want to put the best value to these videos. I want the value to be top level to help the people I care about. So you get the benefit of hanging around, watching, learning, soaking in information. And as well, comment section and all that, I will be reading every comment. If you have a question, I can answer it. Yada yada. But yeah, future stuff, we're going to be talking about real estate, the big boy plays. And they said, exactly, what kind of paperwork do I need to look for this? Who exactly do I need to do? What does this paper say? What's the laws on this? Etc., etc. The stuff you actually need to know, not just the generalized idea. We'll get into specifics, and we'll be going step by step on how to invest and do all these things. So, step 1, how to make $100. Bada bing, bada boom. Chestnuts. Get your chestnuts. Maybe that's weird to say. Might get censor banned on that, but find yourself some chestnuts. These were a product nobody wanted to get to sell to start with. Everybody wanted them. I found the niche. A little bit before that, I was selling apples. We got a bunch of apple trees. Apples that you can't find in the grocery store. Premium product. Not only do they make better pies and desserts than you find, apple sauces, whatever. than the apples you get in the grocery store. But also, you're not going to find these anywhere else. I have the select stuff. I have the quality product. I sold them. Bushel after bushel. It's a matter of advertising yourself, getting it out there. Help people out. They want something that you have. Whether it be your time or a product that you have. Figure it out. Be creative. Could be anything. Get yourself your first $100. We're going to take this $100 and we're going to show you how to go from your first chestnut, your first little paper clip, your first whatever, first little bit, to grow it into your financial freedom and to fulfilling your dreams, helping your family, helping you, help your kids, help your grandkids, leave a legacy. It all starts with step one, and that's you taking action. Look around. What can I do today to make an extra $100? Side hustle. What can I find? That's all. That's about all I got for you today. Stick around. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Put the little bell on so that you know when I put the next video out. And let me know in the comment section, what exactly do you want to see? Is there something in the financial world or life in general that you want to learn about? From somebody that is actually willing to take their time of day to tell you. You know what? I have a question about this. How do I invest in a Roth IRA whenever, what's the point whenever I'm still living paycheck to paycheck? Well, we're going to get you out of the paycheck to paycheck. We're going to get you, you're going to be a high roller, provided you stick around. So, step by step, we're going to figure it out along the way. Step one, $100. We'll start with the easy numbers. How do you make $100 in a day? Easy to make $100 in a day. Just gotta find what the people want that you have. Catch you on the next one, guys. See ya.